Hey everybody. Today I am going to help you with Padlet. Padlet is something I'm a little excited about right now. It's very cool. It's meant for like putting artwork and stuff up on something so people can look at it, sort of like a gallery or a museum, which is perfect for what we're doing. So let's take a look at this and see what to do. I'm going to be having a lot of different assignments where you're going to need to link to the Padlet and post your stuff. So number one, this is my first one. It's called Our Favorite Weave Silk Compositions. And this goes along with the Weave Silk assignment that's going to be on your Google Classroom. And of course, this can be for any of it. If you click on the Padlet link, and it'll come to something like this. Now, usually what I'm going to do is make sure that I already have up on there my own picture responding to what it is I've asked you guys to do. So here we go. I've got the one that says missing everyone, and that's my cool little weave silk picture. Now, look, check it out. These people have already posted. Yay! And because we're seeing them means that I have approved them. Meaning, when you come here and post your stuff, you're not going to necessarily see it go public right away. I have to approve it. So I need to make sure that it's good, it's looking good, it makes sense, and it's what we're supposed to be doing. So anyway, you show up here. What do? How do you post your thing? Well, you double click. You double click where you want to put it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double click right here. And boom, there it goes. I can go ahead and add my picture. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here for that arrow. And what that's going to do is it's going to make me have to pick a file. And I believe I will click one of my files here. I hope this is a good one. And we'll see how that looks. And if you don't like it, if you choose the wrong one, you can put it in the little trash can and it's cool. All right, now that's pretty good. So I'm going to title it The Green Eye. And then I'm going to click out. Then, of course, I always got to add stuff. I'm sorry. So do you see how the one that I did over here is like this lilac background? I chose that because it goes with my picture. Do you see the lilac-y, purple, pinky part in there? Yep. I chose the color for the background there. So how do you make a background? Do you see okay, so remember, I've done it. I've clicked out here, and now I come back. And I can either edit it, trash it, or I can go to the three dots. I always like the stuff three dots do. So I'm going to click a little light green background for that. Goes with the green in it. Let me just double check and make sure the blue wouldn't look better. Does the blue look better? Actually, no, I think because it's called the green eye, I should probably go with the green. Yeah, that's cool. All right, so I'm going to leave that there. And because I am the teacher, boom, it goes public right away. You are not, so I will have to come back and approve it. So I kind of come back and check on it every few hours to see if anybody else has posted. So I'm going to go real quick and show you my second Padlet that I've ever made, and this is called, oops, and I can't do that, all right, because I'm recording a tab. So never mind. I was just joking. I'm not going to show you another one, but just remember when you come in, you're going to double click, and then boom, you can upload it. You can even take a picture. I'm not like wanting you to take a picture yet, but you could, and you would be able to. You'd have to start the camera, and it's going to take a while. So I should have tried this before I did the video. I'm going to go ahead and close this because that's not what I want you to do anyway. what I want you to do is link your picture. So, if for some reason I have asked you to take a photograph of something, you're not going to take a photograph of it here. What you're going to do is take a photograph of it with your computer. So if it's taking a photograph of something outside, you can take your little laptop outside. But let's pretend you are working on a great big old computer and you can't take that outside. And I've asked you to take a picture of something outside. What would you do? Let's think. You're going to see if you have access to somebody's phone. Okay, somebody's smartphone, and ask them to go outside with you, take a picture of whatever it is, and then upload your picture to your computer. And then you'll be able to go like here and then pick your file and find it. It might be in your downloads. You might upload it to your desktop, wherever you've got it. So anyway, you can also put it on iCloud, all sorts of crazy ways you can do this. But anyway, so it's just the good old double click, and then you get it on there. And if you mess up, just click the trash can and it goes away. All right. I hope you guys have as much fun with this as I have. I want to make lots of these, and I want to have you make lots of beautiful boards. I can't wait. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.